Right, here we go with Excel, fourth grade Excel, lesson 91. We're going to be learning about the lowest common multiple, and we're going to be taking a look at some math facts here. So, lowest common multiple is our concept today. And we're going to start by reading right here. What is the there it goes. Okay. What is the lowest common multiple? Let me change the color up here. Of 3 and 4. Multiples are numbers that we say when we skip count. So the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and they just keep going higher and higher and higher forever. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. So just keep going like that. So the lowest common multiple means the lowest number that both lists have in common, that both lists of multiples have in common or that are the same. And the lowest common multiple, so the common multiples of 3 and 4 that you can see in these lists here, the first one you see is 12. That's in both lists. That's a bad circle. Then 24 is in both lists. And 36 is in both lists. So those are the common multiples. But what's the lowest common multiple? The lowest common multiple is 12. 12 is our answer for the lowest common multiple of 3 and 4. For each of these problems, list the multiples for each number until you find a common multiple. So here's our first problem, number 1, 2 and 6. They list the multiples of 6 first. It's always good to list the multiples of the higher number first. You'll see why as you do these. So the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, and 18. The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, and 6. What's the lowest number in both lists? 6. You can see it right there. We're going to do this first one together. So get your pencil ready and just kind of copy what I'm doing. What is the lowest common multiple of 3 and 2? Let's list the multiples of 3 first. You're going to put 3, comma, 6. Hopefully your writing's better than that. Comma, 9. We can stop right there. And then what are the multiples of 2? We have 2, 4, 6. Oh, look at that. We got a 6 in both lists. You don't have to circle it, but you do need to list those multiples there. That's how you show your work on these. So the answer is 6. Okay, I'm going to get you kind of started on number 3, and then you're going to try it on your own. So you're looking for the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8. You're going to start by listing the multiples of 8. So you're going to start with 8, and then the next 8 after that, and the next 8 after that, and then list the multiples of 6, and just keep, you can just do one at a time if you want to, or a couple at a time, until you come to a number that's the same in both lists. And write that down there on the bottom line. Okay, so here we go. Pause the video, try number 3, and then turn it back on when you're ready for the solution. So you should have done this. You should have written 8, 16. We can go down here and start listing the 6s. 6, 12. No, those aren't the same yet. 18. Oh, I passed up the 16. 8 and 16, 8 and 16, 24. Okay, and then if I keep going on the 6s, 6, 12, 18. Oh, what comes next? 24. So we got 24 in both lists. That's the first number we come to that's the lowest common multiple. All right, pause the video, try number 4 on your own, and then turn the video back on. So you should have listed the multiples of 6. You got 6 and 12. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12. Oh, look at that. We came to a 12 in both lists. So the answer is 12. All righty. Let's go to... Let's see here. Oh, there we go. Okay. Go to the next one. All right, sorry about the delay there. Now we're going to be looking at some multiplication problems. First one here, 9 times 12 is 108. The easiest way to solve that is to do 9 times 10, that's 90, and then 2 times 9 is 18. So 90 and 18 makes 108. I'd like you to try to solve 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Pause the video and then turn it back on so you can see the answers. Okay, number 6, 10 times 12 is, you just stick a 0 on the end of 12, 120. 10 times any number, you're just going to move that number over one spot to the left. 12 gets moved over one spot, which means you got to have a 0 sliding in there. The answer is 120. Number 7, well, if 10 times 12 is 120, then we just need one more 12. 11 times 12 is one more 12, so that would be 132. And then 12 times 12 is 144. And 11 times 10 is, stick a 0 on the end of the 11, 110. And 11 times 11 is 11 more than 110. So 10 plus 11 is 21. So the answer is 121. All right, pause the video. And it says on these, don't pause it yet. On these, you want to try to solve the plot problem mentally and subtract to find the remainder. So you're going to do these in your head. No work underneath. It's going to go like this. I'll do the first one with you. 8 into 49. 8, 16, 24, 40, let's see, 24, 32, 40, 48. So it goes in 6 times. And 6 times 8 we know is 48. And this is 49. So you're just going to write 6, remainder 1. Don't show any subtraction. Just do the subtraction in your head. All right, pause the video. Do 12 through 16. And then turn it back on to see the answers. Here we go. 4 into 38. 4 times 9 is 36. 2 more makes 38. 9, remainder 2. 7 goes into 47. Well, let's see. 7 times 6 is 42. So 42 to 47, that's 5 more, right? 6, remainder 5. 8 goes into 35 4 times because 8 times 4 is 32. And from 32 to 35 is 3 more. 6 goes into 50 8 times because 8 times 6 is 48. And 2 more to make 50. 6 into 39. 6 times 6 is 36. And then we have a remainder of 3 because from 36 to 39 is 3. All right, pause the video, do the basic fact practice, and then turn it on to see the answers. 12 into 96 goes 8 times. 7 times 9 is 63. 8 times 7 is 56. 9 times 6 is 54. 12 times 6 is 72. And 8 times 9 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. And 8 times 8, drop it on the floor, pick it up, you got 64. Thanks for watching, everybody.